What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're gonna continue working on the 69 BW Beetle. But first, I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With that being said, let's go ahead and start working on the 69. Alright, so on today's video, we have to do two things in order to get this whole setup done, so we can play around with the airbags. One of the things that we have to do is take care of all the wiring. We're gonna do a quick hookup so we can go ahead and test the air compressor. And the second thing that we need to do is change one of the paddles for the setup. The paddle that originally came with the setup with the kit. Unfortunately, it was damaged. I think one of the rubber seals that goes inside just got lost, and I just can't find it. So I purchased this one from a website, and it took about 2 weeks to get the parts. So that's one of the reasons why this video is so delayed. But we're gonna go ahead and get this done today on this video. Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Sunday, beautiful day in California this morning, and we are going to continue working on the 69 BW Beetle. We did work on it on Friday, but we did not get much done. So on today, we're going to go ahead and take care of this wiring, the wiring for the 2 gauges, and then the wiring that goes into the air compressor. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we just got done hooking up these 2 wires at positive and negative. This is going to help light up these 2 gauges. This will tell us the PSIs. Just goes over here. And now we have to hook up the relay. Alright, so here's my relay, just a regular relay. And this is going to help us run the air compressor and the air tank. So here's the air compressor. This has 2 connections. Both of them are gonna go straight to the relay, and the air tank has 2 connections too. And this is the pressure switch. So this will be turn on once the pressure is not been reached. Then it'll turn on, and once the correct pressure is in the tank, then it'll turn off. So we need to connect those 2 things to the relay. Let's go. So we finally finished, and that's pretty much it for the airbags. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. It was so much fun playing around with the paddle switch, going up and down. I can't wait till the car is painted and ready for the car shows. So alright, I'm finally done. I'm done doing all the wiring for the airbag setup. So this wiring is for a single compressor with an air tank. So what I did here is I ran the compressor and the pressure switch from the air tank into the relay, and then once we hit the relay, it straight goes into the key switch if you have a harness. If you don't have a harness, then you can go to AutoZone and buy one of these. So this goes straight into the 12-volt battery. So once I turn this on, this will get the power from the 12-volt. It will give it to the relay, and then it will go around between these two. So once the air tank is filled up, this switch right here will let the air compressor to stop pumping. So I mean, it's pretty basic, but there's a lot of going on right now. So this is pretty much my setup. So hopefully this helps you guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully you guys can go ahead and stick around. The next thing that we have to do is the brake lines, so I'll go ahead and order some stuff, and hopefully next week we can go ahead and start doing all the brake lines. You guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.